Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever forgotten your password when the Linux require you to enter it? Don't be nervous. Today, I will be showing you how to reset your Linux password on WSL using just two simple command lines. But before we begin, it's important to note that in order to reset your password in this way, you must have administrator access to your computer. Okay, let's get started. First, open the command prompt and type WSL-u root. Next, type passwd and type your username. To reset the password for your username, if you forget your username, please check it on your Linux OS. Then we will enter a new password. Now that we have successfully reset the password, we can try it on our WSL. Also, log out and log in again to apply the new password. If you have any question or concern, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like this. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friend. Thanks, bye.